How to use Wise Card in Korea. In South Korea, Wise Card offers a generally cost-effective and flexible way to manage your South Korean expenses. The card operates using the mid-market exchange rate, which is typically the fairest rate available, and applies a low, transparent conversion fee starting from a small percentage. So if you need to convert currency, a major benefit is that there are no additional foreign transaction fees just for using your card abroad, a significant saving compared to many traditional bank cards. Regarding cash withdrawals, the Wise Card provides a free allowance worldwide each month. This typically includes 2 free withdrawals up to a specified total amount, which is often equivalent to around 200 GBP or a similar figure in other currencies after exceeding either the withdrawal amount or the total fee amount. A small fixed fee per withdrawal plus a percentage of the excess amount applies. It is important to check the specific limits based on your country of residence. When seeking an ATM in South Korea, look for Global ATM or Global Services signs, which indicate that the machine accepts foreign cards. Major Korean banks like Woori Bank, KB Bank, or KB Hana Bank, as well as convenience stores, often have these compatible ATMs. Your daily and monthly spending limits for the Wise Card are set by default, but can be viewed and adjust within the Wise app or website under your card settings, allowing you to increase them up to the maximum account limits if needed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.